Now to our Facts Not Fear coverage of COVID-19. The race to vaccinate the next round of vulnerable Americans is happening this week. The FDA will meet tomorrow to discuss authorizing the COVID-19 vaccine to kids as young as 5. And that means 28 million elementary kids could get vaccinated in a matter of days. The White House says it is ready to ship 15 million vaccine doses to give to children. And let's get to 10 TV's Tino Ramos right now, because Tino, you're looking at the data that will be analyzed during this meeting tomorrow.
Yeah, and they have a lot to look over here, but the prognosis of sorts to this could be good. They expect some type of approval potentially this week itself. But you're right, we're talking about 28 million more vaccines that could be available to people across the U.S. here. And now we are targeting, starting tomorrow, looking at that age group from 5 to 11 years old. So what can you expect from this as it goes through here? Well, this is a dose that is far less than what adults receive. This is about a third of a dose. And even though it's a smaller dose, trials from Pfizer shows that the vaccine appears to be more than 90% effective against symptomatic COVID-19 in this age group. Now, the lower dose was chosen to minimize side effects, but researchers say it still prompts a strong immune response. Tomorrow, the FDA panel will review the data, and if approved, it will then be viewed by the CDC, who promises to move swiftly. Dr. Robert Frank from Cincinnati Children's Hospital says the latest data should really send a message to parents about their young children and COVID.
So parents should really take away from that saying, oh, children are getting infected with COVID. There's a lot of COVID in the community, and kids need to be vaccinated to protect them against the infection.
So the bottom line to this, if the FDA does give approval and it does go to the CDC, who also gives approval, there's a good possibility that these vaccines could be available to kids 5 through 11 by at least the second week of November. Tino Ramos, 10 TV News.
All right, Tino, thank you. Governor DeWine said the state has been allotted 347,000 doses in the first week for that age group if it's given approval by the FDA. The latest data from the Department of Health shows Ohio saw more than 2,500 new COVID-19 cases on Sunday, with 54 more people hospitalized because of COVID-19.